What is 3,000,000 plus 100,000 plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 9,000 plus 80 plus 1 in standard form? Now, this is called expanded form, and we're going to write it out like a regular old number. So this is all about place value. So as we write this down, we're looking at place value. You are in the millions, you are in the hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. And you kind of write it out in the order that you're given from the largest number to the smallest number. So this 3 is going to be our 3,000,000, put a comma there. This 1 is going to be 100,000, 50,000, 6,000. So that's 156,000. Put a comma there. And then to finish this guy out, you have 980 and 1. So 900 plus 80 plus 1 is 981. And we end up with the number 3,156,981.